Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create at yours music story on Instagram. Alright guys, first thing first, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm just going to add a random photo from my device. For example, I'm going to upload this photo. Okay, then we can click on the sticker icon and we have to scroll down a little bit until we find the add yours music template right here. Then you can add music to your add yours template. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this music. Okay, now the music has been added, and before I upload the story, I'm going to add text. For instance, I'm going to add what's your favorite music. Okay. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to place it right here. All right, and for the add yours, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and now it's done, and we can click on your story to share the story to our followers. And now the story is being uploaded. And just wait for a moment, guys. Okay, and this is the result. So this is the add yours music story that I have just created on my Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can create at yours music story on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.